हेलो बच्चों, आज मैं आप सबको द 11 टाइम्स टेबल सिखाऊंगी और उसके बाद हम 12 का भी टेबल सीखेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम 11 का टेबल सीखेंगे। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55, 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 66, 11 6s are 66, 11 7s are 77, 11 7s are 77, 11 8s are 88, 11 8s are 88, 11 9s are 99, 11 9s are 99, 11 10s are 110, 11 10s are 110। ये हो गया हमारा 11 का टेबल। अब हम 12 का टेबल सीखेंगे। उसी प्रकार द 12 टाइम्स टेबल। 12 1s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96, 12 8s are 96, 12 9s are 108, 12 9s are 108, 12 10s are 120, 12 10s are 120। कितना आसान था 11 और 12 का टेबल, जो हमने बहुत आसानी से सीखा।